Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mita.
So it is which period?
Maths field.
Okay, sir. So we will continue our chapter
Evening.
mensuration.
Yes, we will continue the chapter.
Okay, sir. So now you will. Sir, one minute. Thank you.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. So you all have written these formulas in your copy.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Rectangle
which
is
copy?
for
Which formula?
square, cuboid.
No, sir. Please wait, sir. I will write, sir.
Beta, take a screenshot. We did this in the last class.
Okay, sir. I was writing, sir.
We can take the screenshot.
Yes, yes,
Sir, take a screenshot.
yes. Done.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So next period is also yours only.
Yes. Ready, all of you.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of this square root? You were told the meaning of a square root. Some of you already know it. Suppose if you have to find out the square root of a number,
Sir, your voice is not
it
coming.
is the opposite of a square. My voice is there or not? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Are you all able to hear me?
Sir. Yes, sir.
बेटा कुछ नेटवर्क इशू है आपका, किसको नहीं आ रही है मेरी आवाज?
Sir, I Daksh.
Daksh, there is some network issue. I think you have.
Okay, sir.
सिद्धार्थ प्रताप,
सर मुझे आ रही है आवाज.
your DP is looking very nice.
Thank you, sir.
You are riding on a horse.
No, sir, it is only a statue.
Oh, actually the picture is very small. I think you are literally riding a horse. Okay, so now suppose let me explain you the meaning of a square root. Suppose 5 square we all know is 25. So square root का मतलब ये होता है कि आपको ये सोचना है कि the given number is square of which number. तो अगर मैं आपसे ये पूछूं कि 25 is square of which number, स्क्वायर रूट 25 का मतलब यही होता है. 25 इज स्क्वायर ऑफ विच नंबर? कौन से नंबर का स्क्वायर होता है 25? 5 का स्क्वायर.
5.
का.
ठीक है. सो स्क्वायर रूट मींस दिस ओनली, दैट द गिवन नंबर इज स्क्वायर ऑफ विच नंबर. That is you have to. So that means square and square root are opposite of each other. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Square and square root are opposite of each other. Another example, 9 square is 81. So square root of 81 is 9. Got it? So ये meaning होता है
Yes,
square root
sir.
का. We already know the how to find the square root of a number. आगे questions भी आएंगे, so we will do it again.
Yes, sir. We will, sir, try our best.
Mensuration exercise
So 20A.
20A. We have already
Sir, we have
started
done,
the
I think, till
exercise.
question 1.
We have done question 1. Question 2 I gave you all to do.
Yes, sir. It is very easy, sir. Area of a rectangle, length to it.
Yes. Start doing question 2. I don't want to see your answers for this question. It is very easy.
Done. Done.
Simple area find करें, just multiply the length and breadth and find the area. Orally tell me what is the answer. Tell me orally on the mic.
672.
672 meters square is the area of the rectangular plot. 48 into 5. 48 into 5 is 20 240. 600 कहाँ से आया? 672 बेटा. अच्छा, diagonal given है. Oh हो. It is a good question. I'm sorry. So we are going to do the question on the screen. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
I thought length and breadth are given.
Sir, this is the
Here-
very toughest chapter of this maths book.
Here
Sir.
the length is 48 meters and the diagonal of the rectangle is given 50 meters. अभी हमने एक चैप्टर पढ़ा है. The name of the chapter was properties of triangles. In that chapter we studied how to use Pythagoras theorem. So here also
Yes, sir.
we are going to use Pythagoras theorem to find the second side of the rectangle.
Sir, we have to draw this square also.
Square नहीं,
rectangle.
rectangle है. Yes.
Yes, sir.
48 meters. One side of the rectangle is given. Diagonal is given 50, not 40. Sorry. 50 is the diagonal. Okay. 50 meters diagonal. So we will find out the breadth of the rectangle by using Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. देखिए फायदा हुआ Pythagoras theorem पढ़ने का, यहाँ पर भी यूज होगा.
Yes, sir. It is very
Useful.
profitable to us.
Useful. So hypotenuse is 50. 50 square is equal to 48 square plus x square. 2500 is equals to 48 square is what? 1664. I hope you all are finding, and 64 ही आएगा बीच में. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
4 6 plus 4 10. 1 7 plus 6 is 13. 2304. 2304 plus x square. So 2500 minus 2304 is equals to x square. You already know this, है ना? Method आता है ना सबको? I don't think you need my help.
Yes, sir.
Just do it yourself. Don't look at the board कि मैं कैसे कर रहा हूँ. So x square is equals to 196. If you do the factors of 196, you will find out that it is a square of 14. अंडर रूट भी लगा सकते हैं आप, ठीक है. ये देखिए स्क्वायर रूट अंडर रूट एक ही बात होती है. 196 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 196 कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? यू विल डू फैक्टर्स. 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 फैक्टर्स हो गए. 2 का एक पेयर बन गया, 7 का एक पेयर बन गया. लेट्स रिमूव द स्क्वायर रूट. 2 into 7, that means 14 meters. This is the breadth of the rectangle. Now you find the area of rectangle. Area is equal to length into breadth. So area equals to 48 into 14. Now multiply and find the area. Was a good question. बेटा ये माइक ऑफ करिए अपने. दक्षिणवार तुम्हारे घर पे क्या काम चल रहा है? कुछ लेबर वगैरह काम कर रही है घर पे?
Sir,
Please
construction.
don't rough. Sir, don't rough.
No, I'm not doing it. Find the area. Multiply 48 and 14. कितना आया? What do you get finally?
Sir, 672. Sir, 672.
Very good. Okay,
Yes, sir.
done.
Sir.
Question 3. The sides of a rectangular park are in the ratio 4:3 if its area is 1728 meters square. Sides are given, area is given, sides का ratio given है. Find the cost of fencing it at the rate of rupees 30 per meter. Good. So question number 3, again a good question. The ratio of the sides of a rectangular park is given. So that means the ratio of length and breadth is given 4:3. Okay. Let length is equals to 4x and breadth
3x.
is equal to 3x. Length 4x and breadth 3x. Now, the area is given in the question. Area of the rectangular plot is given. It is given 1728 meters square. So area is equals to L into B. 1728 equals to 4x into 3x. One seven two eight is equals to 12x square. Something very important and different. 4x into 3x algebraic expressions याद करो बच्चों. 4x multiplied by 3x. 4 into
So
3 is
12 is
12
x square.
and x into x is x square. x मत लिख देना उसको.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. Whenever we are adding तब x square नहीं होगा. जैसे if we add 4x and 3x then it will be 7x. तो मल्टीप्लाई थोड़ी कर रहे हैं जो x स्क्वायर हो जाएगा अगर एडिशन कर रहे हैं तो. बट व्हेन वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग then it becomes 12x square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 12 you can take in LHS. 1728 divided by 12 is equals to x square. And x square is equals to 1728 divided by 12. What is it? क्या आएगा डिवाइड करके बताओ. $144. Now x is equals to square root of 144. What is the square root of 144? 144 is the square of which number?
So 12.
12. X की वैल्यू 12 आ गई. Now you find the length and breadth of the rectangle. थोड़ा सा उधर कर लेते हैं, otherwise I will be having problem in writing in your copy. So length of the rectangle is 4x, therefore it becomes 4 into 12, 48 meters, and breadth is equals to 3x. This becomes 3 into 12, therefore 36 meters. Length and breadth आ गए. Now we know the length and breadth. अब हमसे पूछ रहे हैं फेंसिंग की कॉस्ट निकालो. फेंसिंग का मीनिंग क्या होता है? Tell me, all of you.
Sir, the boundary.
Boundary.
Yes, sir.
Preparing perimeter निकालेंगे. Good. Fencing का meaning
perimeter
होता है.
2 angles.
Fencing का meaning होता है preparing the boundary of a shape. तो it could be rectangular shape. Fencing rectangular, square shape, circular shape, किसी की भी हो सकती है. So perimeter to find to do the fencing, find the cost of fencing, we will first find the perimeter of the
For
rectangle.
rectangle. So 2 into L plus B.
Perimeter 2 into L plus B, very good. 2 into 48 plus 36. So 48 plus 36. 84. 84 into 2, 168 meters. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. Now cost of fencing. Very short questions. एक तो chapter भी इतना छोटा है, ऊपर से questions भी इतने छोटे हैं. So
Sir, it is
cost of
very long
fencing.
question.
The rate of fencing is rupees 30 per meter. 1 मीटर फेंसिंग करेंगे तो 30 रुपीज पे करेंगे, ऐसा इन्होंने बोला है. यूनिटरी मेथड पढ़ा है प्रीवियस क्लासेस में, वही है. रुपीज 30 पर मीटर कॉस्ट है फेंसिंग की, यानी कि 1 मीटर फेंसिंग अगर आपको करनी है तो आपको 30 रुपीज पे करना है. फॉर
Okay, sir.
फेंसिंग ऑफ 168 मीटर, अगर 168 मीटर फेंसिंग करनी है तो कितने रुपीज पे करने पड़ेंगे? 168 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 30. 168 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 30. 03 into 8, 24, 18 plus 220. 268 rupees 8040. 8040 rupees का खर्चा आएगा इस रेक्टेंगल की फेंसिंग में. The question was looking very simple, straightforward, but quite lengthy.
Yes, sir. Sir, got a very easy question.
Very easy, very good. It's excellent if you're finding the question very easy. That means I am able to. It is a good.
Sir, but we have to remember the basic rules.
Yes, very good, very good. That means I am able to explain properly. If you are able to do it, if you are able to understand it, it is a good thing for me also. ठीक ठाक पढ़ा लेता हूँ, इसका मतलब मैं भी.
Cost will be 5040.
No, sir, you are a good teacher.
Okay, thank you.
सर इसमें हमने पेरीमीटर क्यों फाइंड करा?
Everyone, please keep your videos on.
Okay, sir.
Perimeter क्यों find करा? Very good question.
Sir, the
Beta,
cost will be 5040 rupees.
Abhishek, look at this. ये रेक्टेंगल है, इसमें फेंसिंग करनी है. फेंसिंग का मतलब होता है इसका बॉर्डर प्रिपेयर करना है, कुछ लगाना होगा, वायरिंग वगैरह करनी होगी या जो भी कुछ करना होगा, हो सकता है कुछ भी करना हो. तो ये जो ये बॉर्डर है इसका, यहाँ पर फेंसिंग करनी है. फेंसिंग का मीनिंग यही होता है, बाउंड्री प्रिपेयर करना. समझ रहे हो? कवर करना.
यस सर.
तो बॉर्डर को कवर करना है इसके. कवर, बॉर्डर कवर करने के लिए पेरीमीटर निकालेंगे या एरिया निकालेंगे? बताओ.
सर पेरीमीटर.
पेरीमीटर.
तो perimeter
फेंसिंग की
निकालेंगे,
कॉस्ट
fencing
इन्होंने ये दी
boundary.
है कि अगर आप 1 मीटर, सिर्फ 1 मीटर के लिए फेंसिंग करते हैं अगर आप, तो आपको 30 रुपीज पे करने हैं. रुपीज 30 1 मीटर के लिए. लेकिन हमें 1 मीटर थोड़ी करनी है, हमें तो पूरी बाउंड्री प्रिपेयर करनी है, पूरा चक्कर. एम आई राइट? तो उसके लिए पहले तो पेरीमीटर पता होना चाहिए. फिर जो भी जितना भी टोटल डिस्टेंस आएगी, टोटल पेरीमीटर आएगा, उसको 30 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. अंडरस्टूड?
यस.
Yes, sir.
The cost of fencing will be, sir, 5040 rupees.
5040. Yeah, 50. You are right. Not 8040. It is 5040. Correct. Very good.
Sir, today, sir, Wali Beach, sir.
I'm in Bareilly.
Okay, sir.
Let's do the next question.
Sir, each exercise consists of 10 questions.
Question number 4. The area of a rectangular field is this. The length is this. A boy runs around the field at the rate of 6 kilometers per hour. How long will he take to go 5 times around it? So area of rectangle, I am guiding you what to do in the question. And I am giving you 2 minutes to try, although it will not be completed in 2 minutes, I know. But I want to know the concept, what you are doing, what you are about to do, that I want to know from you. It is quite a lengthy question. The area of a rectangular field is 3584 meters square. Okay. Area of rectangular field. And its length is 64 meter. Okay. Can you find the breadth with this area or length? हमको पता है breadth मिल जाएगी rectangular field की. Breadth will be equal to area divided by length. मिल जाएगी breadth. A boy runs around the field at the rate of 6 kilometers per hour. एक boy किस स्पीड से उस फील्ड के अराउंड चारों तरफ बाउंड्री पे रन कर रहा है? किस स्पीड से रन कर रहा है? He is running at a speed of 6 kilometer per hour. How long will he take to go 5 times around it? उस फील्ड के 5 चक्कर लगाने के लिए 5 चक्कर लगाने हैं. 5 राउंड्स लगाने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा उसको? हाउ लॉन्ग विल ही टेक? दैट मीन्स हाउ मच टाइम विल ही टेक. तो 5 राउंड्स में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू फाइंड आउट डिस्टेंस कितना कवर करेगा. फर्स्ट यू फाइंड आउट एक राउंड में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा, उसके बाद 5 राउंड्स की पता चलेगी. सो एक राउंड में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है, इसका मतलब आपको क्या फाइंड करना है इस क्वेश्चन में? पहले क्या फाइंड करना है? टेल मी. एक राउंड में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है? हाउ विल यू फाइंड आउट? यानी कि क्या फाइंड करेंगे आप?
Perimeter.
पेरीमीटर. करेक्ट. ब्रेथ निकालेंगे पहले, एरिया से ब्रेथ निकालेंगे, फिर लेंथ और ब्रेथ दोनों आपको पता चल जाएंगी. लेंथ तो गिवन ही है. उसके बाद पेरीमीटर निकालेंगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि एक राउंड में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया उसने. ओके. पहले इतना फाइंड करिए ऑल ऑफ यू. Yes, have you all done? Done बेटा, perimeter निकाल लिया.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 4. I think you all must have done till here. The area of rectangle is this. What is the area given? Tell me jaldi.
So 3584.
Meter square. The length is
64. So 64 meters.
64 meter. So breadth is equals to area divided by length. 3584 divided by 64. Let's divide by 4. 16. 4 say 8, 38, 9, 24, 6. Divide by 4 again. 4. 2, 2, 4. Now divide by 4 again. 2 to 4, 5, 24, 6. Okay, 56. What is the breadth? 56. Am I right? सबकी breadth 56 आ गई. Now you find the perimeter. Perimeter is equals to 2L plus B. So perimeter is equals to 2 into 64 plus 56. What is the sum? 120. So 120 into 2 is 240 meters. This is the perimeter. I think you all must have done till here the perimeter of the rectangle.
Yes, sir.
Now that means he in one round, if he takes one round of the field, जो भी है field है क्या है field है. If he takes one round of the field, he covers 240 meters one round में. ठीक है? In one round he covers 240 meters. And in 5 rounds, distance covered in, so पहले ये लिख लेते हैं, distance covered in one round equals to 240 meters. So in 5 rounds, it will be 240 multiplied by 5. So it will be 1200 meters. So this much distance he covers in 5 rounds. He goes 5 times around the field. Now the speed at which he is going is given. 6 kilometers per hour is his speed. Distance हमको पता चल गई है, speed हमको पता है, speed given है. Speed is 6 kilometers per hour. Do you know how to change kilometer speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second? पता है, साइंस में पढ़ाया है टीचर्स ने, ये नहीं
Time and
पढ़ाया
motion
होगा.
chapter.
Yes, correct. So how to change
The
speed
time and motion.
how to change speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second? How will you change? Tell me. कैसे चेंज करेंगे? किलोमीटर पर आवर से क्या 5/18 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, डिवाइड करेंगे, क्या करेंगे? या
So 6 multiplied by 5/18.
correct. To convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second, you multiply
Multiply by 5/18.
5/18. 5/18 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. Okay.
2.
So 6 multiplied by 5/18, we get 6 and 18 को कट हो जाएगा, तो ये मीटर पर सेकंड में आ जाएगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट मीटर पर second if we multiply by 5/18. So now you when simplify this 18 को 3 से कट कर ली, 6 से कट कर लीजिए, 3 आ गए and 1. So this means 5/3 meters per second. This is his speed. ये हो गई स्पीड. अब हमसे पूछ रहे हैं कितना टाइम लगेगा. हमको देखिए डिस्टेंस पता है. दिस इज द डिस्टेंस. जितना डिस्टेंस वो कवर कर रहा है. व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस ही इज गोइंग टू कवर?
Sir, 1,200.
1,200 meter. The speed also we know 5/3 meter per
So
second.
5.3 meter per
तो
second.
टाइम क्या होता है? टाइम इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड, या फिर डिस्टेंस डिवाइडेड बाय स्पीड इज टाइम. डिस्टेंस डिवाइडेड बाय
You
स्पीड.
can write distance upon speed also.
1200 what?
Sir, we can write distance upon speed also.
हाँ वो भी लिख सकते हैं. 1200
Okay, sir.
divided by 5/3. So this is equals to 1200 into 3/5. So 5 and 1200 को हम कट कर लेंगे. 2 and 4 0. 240 into 3. So you get 720 seconds में आंसर आया है. फिलहाल seconds में आया है 720 seconds. And if we change it in minutes, you will divide it by 60. 720 divided by 60, the answer will be converted in minutes. So 0 0 cancel हो जाएंगे. 72 divided by 6 is 12. 12 minutes is the answer.
Sir, 12.
देखा कितना easy simple question.
Yes, sir. Sir, what is the Vedanta?
What?
Sir, in the next question, a veranda.
Veranda. अभी बताते हैं veranda क्या होता है. Do this one first.
Sir, someone Vedanta must find it.
Who?
Sir, Vedanta.
Medhansh.
Sir,
He is
pray.
from Pratyush, Medhansh. They are from class 7C. They have next period with me.
Sir, next period is our arrangement in 7A.
It will be a combined class of 7th A and 7C. 7C students, your class will start after 2 minutes.
It is paved with the stones.
Sir, what we will do next?
Have you completed this question, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in the question?
No, sir. No.
Yes, sir. So in speed, why you have written 5/18?
Sir, it's compulsory to convert in minutes.
This is a method to convert the speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second. उसमें convert करने का एक method है ये. If you multiply the speed by, if it is in kilometer per hour and you multiply by 5/18, it will convert in meter per second. Okay.
Sir, what we will do in combined class?
That's a surprise. Suspense.
Oh, sir, okay.
Okay, thank you, all of you, for this period.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Meet in next.